Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the natural remedies we share. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you amazing tips and treatments. Today, I'm sharing an incredibly effective two-step treatment that will help you fade dark lips and restore their natural colour and softness. Whether it's from sun exposure, dehydration, smoking, or drinking too much coffee or tea, this treatment is designed to bring your lips back to their former, beautiful state. This simple yet powerful remedy will help remove dead skin, hydrate, and brighten your lips naturally. And the best part is that it uses ingredients you probably already have at home. Step 1. Exfoliating Lip Scrub. First up is our super exfoliating lip scrub. Exfoliation is crucial because dead skin builds up on our lips, making them look darker. This scrub will help you reveal fresh pink lips beneath the dead layer. You'll need 1 tablespoon of honey locks in moisture, making sure your lips stay plump and hydrated. It also has mild bleaching properties that help lighten dark lips. 1 tablespoon of glycerin soothes dry, flaky lips and prevents irritation. It also helps in brightening and softening lips, so you won't feel the urge to peel them. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells. It also boosts blood circulation when massaged, making your lips instantly more plump and vibrant. How to use. Mix these ingredients thoroughly in a bowl. Apply the scrub to your lips using your fingertips, gently massaging in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Be gentle, don't over-scrub. Let the sugar work naturally. Leave it on for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then wipe it off. This scrub will leave your lips softer, more hydrated, and visibly lighter after just one use. Step 2. Nourishing Lip Mask. Once you've exfoliated, it's time to seal in moisture and lock in the goodness with our Nourishing Lip Mask. This step ensures your lips stay hydrated and pink for a longer time. You'll need 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice. Beetroot is a powerful skin lightener. It not only brightens lips but also adds a natural rosy tint, making your lips look instantly more vibrant. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties. It provides deep moisture without feeling sticky and helps repair damaged lips. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, OR olive oil. Here, you have the option to use either coconut oil or olive oil. Coconut oil deeply hydrates, heals cracked lips, and forms a protective barrier to keep them soft. Olive oil, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin E, which helps lighten dark spots and keeps your lips moisturized and smooth. How to use. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Apply the mask generously on your lips before going to bed. Massage gently so that the oils and nutrients can penetrate deeply. Leave it on overnight and wake up to soft, nourished, and lighter lips. Tip. This lip mask is especially effective when used after the scrub to seal in all the moisture and nutrients. This two-step treatment is not just for temporary relief. It's a complete solution for dry and dark lips. Follow this routine on alternate days, and in just 7 days, you'll notice a huge difference in your lip color and texture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who could benefit from this amazing treatment. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Until next time, take care and goodbye.